Welcome to Automotive World, your premier destination for in-depth automotive insights. Today, we delve into Kia's 2025 lineup, exploring the latest models, their specifications, and standout features. Kia's 2025 offerings showcase a blend of innovation, performance, and design. The all-new Kia K4 compact sedan boasts a modern aesthetic and spacious interior, featuring class-leading 38 inches of second-row legroom. Under the hood, it houses a 190-horsepower engine, promising a balanced driving experience. In the electric vehicle segment, the 2025 Kia EV6 stands out with its futuristic styling and engaging driving dynamics. The EV6 offers a range exceeding 300 miles on a single charge, depending on the configuration. For those seeking performance, the top-tier 576-horsepower GT variant accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds, delivering an exhilarating ride. The 2025 Kia Sportage, a crossover SUV, impresses with its class-leading cargo space of 39.6 cubic feet behind the second row. Folding the seats nearly doubles this capacity to 74.1 cubic feet, accommodating various storage needs. Additionally, the Sportage provides 41.3 inches of second-row legroom, ensuring comfort for all passengers. For compact SUV enthusiasts, the 2025 Kia Seltos offers versatility with competitive fuel efficiency and available all-wheel drive. The Seltos X-Line trim is tailored for adventure seekers, combining style with capability. Kia's commitment to electrification is further evident in the EV9 GT, a high-performance electric SUV unveiled recently. With over 500 horsepower and a 0 to 60 mph acceleration in 4.3 seconds, the EV9 GT also features virtual gear shifting and native Tesla charging compatibility, enhancing its appeal in the EV market. The 2025 Kia Carnival introduces a hybrid powertrain, blending efficiency with the practicality of an 8-seater configuration. The hybrid model delivers commendable fuel economy, making it a compelling choice for families seeking space without compromising on efficiency. In the sedan category, the 2025 Kia K5 receives a facelift, featuring redesigned headlights and taillights, a new front bumper, and updated interior technology. The base engine transitions to a naturally aspirated 2.5-liter four-cylinder, producing 191 horsepower, offering a refined driving experience. Kia's 2025 lineup reflects a dedication to innovation, performance, and design, catering to a wide range of automotive preferences. For more detailed reviews and insights on these models, stay tuned to Automotive World. If you enjoyed this overview and want to stay updated with the latest automotive news and reviews, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.